What are we doing, Zach?
We're going to mountains to go hunt coyote.
We're gonna get something today?
Oh, we're gonna get logs today.
Okay, good. How do we do on our other stands?
No bueno.
We called in some hunters.
Yeah.
Guess we didn't call them in.
We called in, what was it, a blue jay?
We did
Something like that?
Not a blue jay, just some bird.
Bird. Yeah, watched it flitter in from bush to bush till it got to the call. That was kind of fun.
It was movement.
Yeah.
We called in cars.
What?
We called in cars.
No.
We called in DWR.
Very helpful DWR.
Yes, man. Yep. You bet.
Hopefully. Guess we'll see.
Well, he was helpful, just whether or not it was
The right kind of help.
accurate. Yeah.
So we got told by one of the DWR people to come over to Ebbs Canyon to try it out because there's coyotes over here and they're not going to be as pressured. So we're going to go and get our first confirmed kill as a double or triple.
Hey.
Honestly, you find somewhere that looks good to hide the truck and go make a stand. Let me know, because I'm good with any of this. Let's take a leak. Get dust in here. What the heck? I've actually, but when I got the cover, it came with a gasket, a rubber seal that you can put in here. I just never have. That was loud. Yeah. Those are things. Yep. More right here.
going, Zach? You enjoying it?
Yeah.
As much as you can, at least.
What?
As much as you can, at least.
Yeah.
Kitten distress, thinking maybe, but
All right, Zach. How is it today?
It is no bueno.
Why not?
Because we haven't been able to even see a single coyote or hear any.
I thought I heard some barking down here towards the end,
I thought I heard something, but.
but
All right, Zach. Tell us about your day.
It was not a good day. We didn't see any coyotes, but we did see 5 does and 2 bucks.
How big are the bucks?
They were big.
Nice and tall, 3-point.
Yeah.
Did you at least have fun?
Yeah.
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good.